Hi everyone, I am here to show you one of my finished journals. This is for a lovely lady called Jan, and it was one of my multiple journals that I'm doing in my series, but as these are for Christmas presents, I thought I'd get these ones done first, and the other ones will go on the Etsy shop. So I just wanted to show you this finished one. This is using one of Artie May's kits and other bits of ephemera, etc. Now, for anyone who orders any of my journals before Christmas, they will come in one of these lovely boxes. You know, if you're giving it as a Christmas present or even it's for yourself, they will come packaged like this. So let's have a look at this journal. I love it actually, and I'm going to make myself one of these because they are just gorgeous. And a very bizarre story behind it, because I've been working on this journal and I am absolutely loving it. And it is it's a poppy kit, and it's a funny story really, not funny but sort of funny. A lady from the road across from me, she said that would I take in a cat, because the owners have done a moonlight flit and up and left and just left her, and the poor little cat, well, she's very tiny, I don't think she's a kitten, but she's very dinky, has been living on this lady's doorstep since March in a box, because she's got a dog so she can't take her in. And so we have a new baby addition to the house. Well, she's, like I said, I don't think she's a baby. I think she's a couple of years old, but she's tiny. But we think she might be pregnant, so there might be a little kitten soon. But we'll get taken to the vets later to get her checked over. So how strange. Been working on this Poppy journal, and her name is Poppy. Very bizarre. And sometimes meant to be. So keep watching. I'm sure she will eventually, once she settles in, will play part of the cat family on the videos. So we'll have to wait and see. Right. Okay, so this is for the lovely Jan, and I just wanted to show it. This is such a gorgeous kit. It is just beautiful. I mean, look. I mean, this is one of the images from the kit, and I've literally just sewn it onto some, you know, paper pad, cardstock pad. I've then put some lace on the edge, a satin ruffle, and then I saw these lovely brooches in one of the stalls in my supermarket. It wasn't in the supermarket, but it was in a stall outside of the supermarket, and I just had to have it because it's just beautiful. Just some sheer ribbon for the tie, eyelet ties, and then look at this. It is so colourful and so vibrant and so beautiful. I'm loving it. This is one of my book plates from my DigiKit that can be bought on my Etsy store, and obviously you can put the name of whoever this is going to belong to in here. Now this is a poem from an old book. I don't know what year, but it's 1800 something, and I just loved it, so I printed it out and just put it in there as a little journal spot. And then this is just one of the some leftover printables from the kit, so I just thought it'd be good there to write on. But just look at how beautiful this is. It's just stunning, really, really is. And then you've got lots of journaling space here. We have a glassine bag, and I've just covered it with one of the images. I printed this on a like tracing paper, and it's all crinkly. It's all lovely and crinkly. And in here this is from the kit as well, and it's just got a little dinky little card in there. Look how cute that is. And that is just pops in there. We've got some trim here, some lace trim, and then here we just have one of the pockets from the kit, a little bit of that satin and little flowers. And then in here we have a coffee dyed old postcard and a lovely tag. And what I did was I printed it and then printed one of the other images on the other side, because I didn't have time to coffee dye everything, so I printed on the back of that. And we have lots of journaling space here. And even the kit has got the lines here for so you can journal in it. Just beautiful. Look at this. And then we've got coffee dyed paper, some old music paper. And then look, as it's obviously coming up to Remembrance Day, there was a gentleman collecting. So I got a couple of poppy things from him. And this is just on a little burlap tag. I just put some lace on it and put one of the little bulb clips with the little poppy in. So adorable. And then in here I've just got a printable and another little envelope just with some coffee dyed paper in there. And I've just done a little bit of collaging on the sheet music here, just with some scraps. This is one of the pocket tags from Patricia that I showed in one of my videos, and it's just got this cute little pocket with some printables. And then look at the button I found, the poppy button. Just so cute, just adorable. And it's just on some cheesecloth. And then we've got like a little safety pin just holding that in. Safety pin. Paper clip. I say safety pin when I'm supposed to say paper clip. It's a paper clip. And when I want to say safety pin, I say paper clip. And then this is from a lovely old book. Look at it, it's just beautiful. And I've just printed it on some, it's just lovely crinkly paper. It's lovely. And then this is some book pages from a fairy book. And look, it's the Song of the Poppy Fairy. And I just thought that that was really cute to have. And then it's got other fairies in there as well. Oh, did you see that? Did I go out of shot there? There's the Poppy Fairy. Look, she's beautiful. And then more coffee dyed paper. More of the kit. And this is just from a flower book. And I've just folded it over, sewn the ends, and we've just got some printables here. And of course it's about poppies, so I thought it was very fitting. More coffee dyed. This is from the kit. And then here we have some dictionary, and it's actually got the poppy there. And then we've got a little tuck spot with more printables. These are from the old design shop. These printables, so these Artie Mays or is the main kit, and then I've got printables from other places as well. We've got a lovely doily, and look at this, just beautiful. Some pom-pom trim to cut that, I think. Let me get my scissors. Oh, this is why it's good to have flip through, because sometimes you get bits that you don't want. Lots of journaling space in here. Then you've got the centre of the signature. And then a little pocket. And that has got something in it. Not quite sure what, but it has got something in it. But I won't take it off because I have to put it back then. And then a little tuck spot here. And that's just held on with a safety pin. Oh, paper clip. Oh my God. And then we have more printables. And this is just French receipt from 1892. And then more of the pages. And then I've made a tuck spot from the little flags, banners from the kit, and just put some flower trim there. And then more printables as well to go in there. And then more fairies, the other side of that page. One of the pockets from the kit again, one of the tags. Pop that in there. And then this was an old calendar that I found, a poppy page on it. That's from the kit. And again, I've done some collaging there, just with some scraps. Great way to use up your scraps. More coffee dyed paper. And then this is the other side of the glassine bag and some more of that calendar. And in here, this is from the kit. And then I've just sewn some coffee dyed paper and made a little booklet to go in there. It's a little extra journaling. And then we've got the back page. And this was another page from a calendar, and I've just literally ripped it and made a corner from it. And we have some more printables. I'm not sure who that one's from. One that I had in my stash. And then this is from the kit. And that is it. So that is the poppy journal that I've just finished. I do have another poppy one in the making. So it's a bit different, but it's still got lovely poppy pages in there. So I will put a link below for Artie May's Etsy shop, so that if you are interested in making one of these journals, you can, and they are just beautiful. She just really has some wonderful kits. So that's it. And like I said, if you are interested in any of the journals that I'm sort of got in the making, let me know, and they will come in one of these lovely boxes ready for your Christmas presents. Oops, I've got to get that back. Right, I am going to be back later finishing off my multiple journals, because I am a little bit behind. I must admit, I think I bit off more than I can chew. I said to myself I wanted them all done by the second week of November, so I can get them all up so people can get them in time for Christmas. So I need to work very hard, because it's now the 5th. So happy fireworks night to you all, and I shall see you all later on. Take care for now. Bye.